Learn the basics of Wireshark and how to analyze protocols and PCAP. Wireshark is an open-source, cross-platform network packet analyzer tool capable of sniffing and investigating live traffic and inspecting packet captures (PCAP). It is commonly used as one of the best packet analysis tools. In this lecture, we will look at the basics of Wireshark and use it to perform fundamental packet analysis. Wireshark is one of the most potent traffic analyzer tools available in the wild. There are multiple purposes for its use: detecting and troubleshooting network problems, such as network load failure points and congestion; detecting security anomalies, such as rogue hosts, abnormal port usage, and suspicious traffic; investigating and learning protocol details, such as response codes and payload data. Wireshark GI opens with a single all-in-one page, which helps users investigate the traffic in multiple ways. At first glance, 5 sections stand out. Toolbar. The main toolbar contains multiple menus and shortcuts for packet sniffing and processing, including filtering, sorting, summarizing, exporting, and merging. Display filter bar. The main query and filtering section. Recent files, list of the recently investigated files. You can recall listed files with a double click. Capture filter and interfaces. Capture filters and available sniffing points network interfaces. The network interface is the connection point between a computer and a network. The software connection, a GLOO, Ethernet, and ENS enables networking hardware. Status bar. Tool status, profile, and numeric packet information. Loading PCAP files. Let's load that file and see Wireshark's detailed packet presentation. Note that you can also use the File menu, dragging and dropping the file, or double-clicking on the file to load a PCAP. Now we can see the processed file name, detailed number of packets, and packet detail. Packet details are shown in 3 different panes, which allow us to discover them in different formats. Packet list panel. Summary of each packet, a source and destination addresses, protocol, and packet info. You can click on the list to choose a packet for further investigation. Once you select a packet, the details will appear in the other panels. Packet details panel. Detailed protocol breakdown of the selected packet. Packet bytes panel. Hex and decoded ASC2 representation of the selected packet. It highlights the packet field depending on the clicked section in the details panel. Coloring packets. Along with quick packet information, Wireshark also color packets in order of different conditions and the protocol to spot anomalies in protocols and captures quickly. This explains why almost everything is green in the given screenshots. This glance at packet information can help track down exactly what you're looking for during analysis. You can create custom color rules to spot events of interest by using display filters, and we will cover them in the next lecture. Now let's focus on the defaults and understand how to view and use the represented data detail. Wireshark has 2 types of packet coloring methods: temporary rules that are only available during a program session, and permanent rules that are saved under the preference file profile and available for the next program session. You can use the right-click menu or View Coloring Rules menu to create permanent coloring rules. The Colorees packet list menu activates or deactivates the coloring rule. Temporary packet coloring is done with the right-click menu or View Conversation Filter menu, which is covered in Lecture, the packet filtering. The default permanent coloring is shown. Traffic sniffing. You can use the blue shark button to start network sniffing, capturing traffic. The red button will stop the sniffing, and the green button will restart the sniffing process. The status bar will also provide the used sniffing interface and the number of collected packets. View file detail. Knowing the file details is helpful, especially when working with multiple PCAP files. Sometimes you will need to know and recall the file details like file hash, capture time, capture file comments, interface, and statistics to identify the file, classify and prioritize it. You can view the details by following statistics, capture file properties, or by clicking the PCAP icon located on the left bottom of the window.